For all the latest updates, subscribe to Newsline. In the latest, the Chinese army has retracted from one of the flashpoints of Galwan Valley. The PLA is said to have retracted by about 2 kilometers. India is also said to have retracted its army by a kilometer after China retracted its army as per reports. The face-off between India and China started after India tried to construct a road through a glacier in Ladakh. Indian and Chinese army had involved in a fist fight because of the road construction, and several soldiers were injured during the fight. Apparently, China is not interested in solving the dispute but is instead trying to prolong it. Two meetings which were held at the brigadier and major general level have failed as China refused to resolve the issue.
They have met at the brigadier's level and major general's level. They have met in the LAC, and this is on the 6th. They are planning to have a meeting at the lieutenant general level, that corps commander in Ladakh and the counterparts on the other side. But I have a feeling if China has got a bigger intention of pushing us to a corner or preventing us from making a road in the border areas, which is, I think, that is the case. I don't think they will agree to resolve it. Only thing, they may prolong it.
India was among 62 countries that sought an independent inquiry into World Health Organization's response to COVID-19. Several countries have alleged that China is responsible for COVID-19. Defense experts say that China is creating a nuisance because it does not want India to become a global power.
China is also playing a game because they want to keep India contained to the region itself and also not to become part of the international power game. And in the recent past, India has also planning to join the quadrilateral agreement with America, Japan, and Australia. Mm-hmm. And also that we have agreed for the American proposal for investigation into the COVID-19, which has started in Wuhan in China. Maybe one of the reasons China is trying to put us in our place.
India has a dispute with its neighboring countries, China and Pakistan. All three countries are equipped with nuclear weapons. There are fewer chances of a full-blown war.
China, we are prepared for a two-front war in case if it is thrust on us. But in the nuclear environment, when all the three countries are holding nuclear weapons, the large-scale all-out war is unlikely. So, in the limited war or limited actions or tactical level actions in both the sides, I think Indian Army is capable of taking on both sides.
Chinese and Indian senior army officials will hold a high-level meeting in Ladakh on June 8th. The meeting is being held to resolve the border dispute between the two countries, which apparently have roots in the road construction in Ladakh. Lieutenant General Harinder Singh will represent India in the meeting on June 8. Harinder Singh is the commander of the Leh-based 14 Corps.